Hello everyone, this is Pratibha, Assistant Professor, Department of EEE, Nanda Engineering College. Welcome to this brief introduction to energy auditing. In this video, we will explore how an organization evaluate, monitor and improve their energy usage. With the growing energy demand and increasing sustainability challenges, understanding energy audit has become more important than ever. This presentation will give you a sneak peek into the concepts you will be learning and their real world applications. So basically, what is an energy audit? At its core, energy audit is a comprehensive evaluation of how energy is used within a building or any facility. This will help us to identify the inefficiency, wastage and areas where energy strategy can be applied. So the basic purpose of auditing is not just an inspection. It is a systematic process where we verify, monitor and analyze energy usage and make informed decisions. So why energy audits are essential? Why do organizations bother with energy audits? First, it's about cost reduction. By identifying the waste and inefficiency, a company can save hundreds and thousands of dollars every year on its utility bills. Second, the audits contribute to sustainability. They help lower the carbon footprint and support environmental commitment, which are increasingly demanded by the government and stakeholders. And the third, they improve comfort and performance. In commercial spaces, for example, better energy management means consistent temperature, cleaner air and higher productivity. So energy audit plays a major role considering these three aspects. Next, the American Society of Heating, Refrigerating and Air Conditioning Engineers, in short ASHRAE, outlines three levels of audits. Level 1 is a walk-through inspection. It is a quick and identifies the basic opportunities for improvement. Level 2 is more detailed. It involves energy survey, cost analysis and qualifications of savings. And level 3 is an in-depth investment grade audit that use simulations, advanced tools and financial modelings for major retrofit. So depending on the goal and the complexity of the facility, different audit levels may be used. Next, energy audit process and implementation timeline. So the process usually happens in 4 phases: pre-assessment, data collection, analysis, report and the recommendation. So in pre-assessment, it involves gathering the utility bills, gathering the bills, plans and the schedules. In the data collection, inspecting the site, identifying the equipment and measuring the usage. And the third step is the analysis, where we crunch the numbers to evaluate performance and find the saving and recommendations. A comprehensive strategy is created to implement the changes. So each of these steps ensure a structured and impactful energy saving plan. The next is the energy audit tools. So modern energy audit relies heavily on advanced tools. So here they use thermal imaging cameras to detect the heat loss, blow down test to identify the leakage, digital analytics platforms to continuously monitor the consumption pattern. So these tools will increase the accuracy, which will help us to visualize inefficiency and support the data driven decisions. So and finally, after audit, there are benefits, which comprises the energy audit benefits. What do we gain from the energy audit? On average, audit takes 25 percentage savings, 30 percentage energy reduction, and about 40% improvement in the comfort. So they reduce the environmental impact, raise the property value, as well as support for a long time sustainability goal. So whether it is a factory, school, or hospital, or any other office, energy which is delivered should be tangible as well as measurable. So next, common energy efficiency improvement measures. So let's begin by exploring some common energy efficiency measurements that can significantly reduce the consumption cost. The first is the air sealing. So this involves identifying and sealing the air leak around the window, door, and other openings to prevent the energy loss. So the proper air sealing ensures that the heated or the cooled air stays inside the space, improving the efficiency. The next is the HVAC optimization. So upgrading to programmable or smart HVAC will allow for better control over heating and cooling, ensuring systems will run only when needed. So this will not only save the energy but also extend the lifespan of the equipment. Key measure is appliance upgrades. So replacing old and inefficient equipment like water heaters with the Energy Star rated modules can lead to sustainable energy savings. So additionally, the installation upgrades such as adding insulation to attic walls and crawl spaces will help maintain the consistent indoor temperature, reducing the workload on the HVAC systems. Finally, lighting efficiency. Switching to LED fixtures, especially those certified by Star or Simple programs, can drastically cut the electricity usage while providing better lighting and quality. So these measures form the foundation of a comprehensive energy efficiency strategy. Now let us discuss the financial aspects including cost and return on investment (ROI). Payback period may vary depending on the measure implemented. For example, smaller upgrades like lighting may pay for themselves quickly, while larger projects like HVAC upgrades could take longer. So the payback periods listed may range from a minimal investment up to 12,000, reflecting a scalability of these improvements. So for a total investment payback period, we see categories labeled 1 through 4, indicating different tiers of projects and their respective timelines for recouping the cost. It is important to note that most energy efficiency improvements pay for themselves within 2 to 7 years through the reduced utility bills. So to conclude, improving energy efficiency is a win-to-win. It reduces cost, enhances comfort, and benefits the environment. So this was about a brief introduction to energy audit. In this subject, we will go deeper into audit methodology, tools and technologies and real-world applications. Thank you for watching this.